Hello everyone, welcome back to Financial Hub. Today I'm going to teach you on how to sign up for Trust Wallet. Firstly, you need to get the app. Now as I already have the app, click on the app. Now there you can see this page. All you need to do is click on the Get Started. Now there you can see two options, create a new wallet or add existing wallet. As we are trying to create a new one, click on the first one. Now create a passcode for your Trust Wallet account. Now here you can see two options. Choose the first one, secret phrase. Now we can back up it manually or in iCloud. Here we will do it manually. Make sure to check all of these boxes and tap on continue to reveal your secret phrases. Make sure to note down your secret phrases in a piece of a paper or somewhere else. Now choose the correct phrases and tap on confirm. Now after it's verified, you can start using your Trust Wallet account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.